My name is Dan Hudson. I'm retired from Pierce County Sheriff's Department. I was on the Sheriff's Department 33 years. I was one of the technical team leaders for search and rescue, and then I was also a member of the Washington State Urban Search and Rescue Task Force centered in Pierce County, and we responded to disasters nationwide. So my background in SAR is pretty extensive, and then obviously rope rescue, what we're here for today, as well as swiftwater and wilderness search and rescue is my background. What we're doing here today is practicing our rope evolutions. Mason County Fire District 6 Pro Board crew requested that I come here and help teach rope rescue evolutions to the local agencies and organizations here. I think there are 7 organizations here as part of this training and 12 represented in 12 personnel. So it's pretty well accepted by local agencies and organizations. We have 1 firefighter out of Oregon. The rest are local here in Mason and I think South Kitsap County. Today here on the bridge we're practicing high angle rescue evolutions. Obviously the high steel bridge here in Mason County is up front and center in the training we need to go to or provide for local authority, because Mason County's here quite frequently, I'm afraid. Safety-wise, we work a lot on keeping personnel safe and how to use an appropriate amount of redundancy in programs and our application of equipment, so we don't hurt ourselves in our evolutions, and take care of our team, our teammates. So that's a lot of my focus is on safety. What we're using here are 2 different versions of an artificial high point change of direction. So in the old days before things like this, we used gin poles or ladder systems to actually change where our rope systems go over the railing of the bridge in this instance, or over a cliff face. So it keeps our equipment out of damage from being drug over hard metal surfaces or through dirt or debris. So these very expensive pieces of equipment here provide that artificial high point change of direction and keeps the equipment, preserves it, and it also allows our rescuers a better opportunity to safely move over the rail and be lowered into systems. The rigs here set up, one set up for a litter. We're going to do a lower and raise, so we can lower rescuer over, rescue somebody down below, put them in a litter, and then raise them up and over the edge. And then the other system is just to do a high point change of direction to send a rescuer over, maybe carrying some equipment down.